Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa uthi uhulumeni kufanele ulinganise phakathi kwezeluleko ayithola kososayensi kanye nolunye ulwazi olukhona ngesifo i-COVID-19. Usolwazi uGlenda Gray usanda kusola uhulumeni ngokuphikisana nezeluleko zososayensi ekubhekaneni ne-coronavirus. Manje umengameli uRamaphosa uthi-ke ososayensi beluleke uhulumeni ukuthi-ke uhoxise zonke izigaba zokuvalwa kokusebenza kweminye imikhakha yomnotho, kepha-ke lokhu-ke angeke kwenzeke.
Umengameli uwachithile amahlebezi athi uhulumeni ubhekene ngeziqu zamehlo nabanye ososayensi. Wathi uhulumeni kumele athathe isiluleko asinikwa ngososayensi asiqhathanise nolunye ulwazi analo. Umengameli uRamaphosa uthi ukuphawula kukasosayensi uGray owathi uhulumeni akabalaleli ososayensi sekuyinto eyadlula.
There's really no issue between scientists and politicians. We take our cue from what the scientists are saying. Why is that so? Because they are experts. They have spent their entire lives studying what we are having to manage. So they advise. They are an advisory body. And of course, when they give advice, we've got to take other things into account.
Umengameli uphinde wathi ososayensi njengosombusazwe banemibono eyehlukene kanti abavumelani ngaso sonke isikhathi. Isikhungo iSouth African Medical Research Council naso sixolisile ngokuhlambalazeka okwadalwa usolwazi uGray.
I am told that scientists, like politicians, like religious people, they differ. There are many differences, and they have diverse views, and diverse views are to be welcomed. They must never be silenced. They are to be welcomed. People must express themselves in whatever way. And we have said that the Medical Advisory Committee has been advising government extremely well.
Umengameli wengeze ngokuthi ithimba labeluleki bezempilo lenza umsebenzi oncomekayo wokweluleka uhulumeni. NginguSamkele Maseko wezindaba zeSABC eGoli.